same time, he actually, when he came back to Taiwan, he actually taught us this choreography. And that's why we held it very dear to heart. So through reinterpreting this dance and in the formation and in this given time, we wanted to show that we dance this piece for you, Sol, and you live through all of us. So that's why we chose this song to dedicate it to you and to our friends in Korea. We hope this dance bring you happiness and peace, and everybody keep dancing. We love you!